Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ask a botanist for advice in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the PlantIn app, and here it opens up in My Plants. From here we just have to go into More, and then if you scroll down, under Treatment we find Ask the Botanist. And here we can ask questions. Here we can type the question in, then add the plant's name, and then add some images of the plant or of the problem that we have with the plant, and then just tap on next, and the botanist is going to help us with our problem if the disease identifier didn't work. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.